Excuse me, today's a very special day for me, so would you like to have a lollipop? What's so special about today? I'll tell you after you put the lollipop in your mouth. Enjoy. What's that? You put the lollipop in your mouth? Alright, so today is special because today is the day that I get you in trouble for eating candy in class. Excuse me, miss, you need to look right now. They're eating a lollipop in the middle of class, even though the rules specifically state that they are not allowed to have candy in class. What's that? I'm the one who gave you the lollipop? I most certainly did not. Stop trying to blame me for this. Do not listen to them, miss. I am a rule follower, and they are a rule breaker who will say anything to get out of trouble. What's that, miss? You're going to get them detention? Yes! In your face! Boom!